Hey, for this quick tutorial I want to show you a powerful technique for swapping Luminaire types. So after creating a lighting layout and completing your calculations, you may find that you need to substitute one of the Luminaire types for a different fixture type. And so fortunately to do that we don't need to actually create a new type. If we just close out of view only mode and go back into edit mode, we can drag and drop the photometric file from our folder structure, the new photometric file, on top of the previous fixture type. And once this little plus sign appears, we can just drop it into place. And that updated all the instances that I had previously placed of this type. So now from here we can either recalculate and do another grid analysis for the whole floor, or better yet, just recalculate the space with the updated fixture types. So I'll do calculate space. And now with the calculation complete, we can use the compare tool to see how the results change for the new fixture. I'll give the calculation a unique name first, just so we can compare them. And then I'll click compare activities. And then pull the previous design and the new design and compare them side by side. So it looks like the old one actually performed a little bit better, at least more uniform. So from here we could continue to iterate simply by swapping additional photometry by dragging the IES file on top of the lighting card. Thank you.